What's up, YouTube? Got my car here. I just took it off-road, and I took the motor out and everything, stuff like that. And I was like messing, like I was revving it like full throttle, and now it sounds like this. It's not supposed to sound like that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's crazy. It just moves back and forth. Like, I don't know what the... Well, I think I officially broke it. Pretty much. Oh, hold on. What's that? Yep. It's too hot, I think. What's going on?
If you still hungry, you have to wash your hands and make a sandwich. It's bread.
Okay.
It's a macaroni soup. What you got? I'm about to go to bed. I love you. Good night.
Night.
Make sure you clean up your stuff.
It's not working. Just for 1 second. Okay. I don't know what happened there, but okay. This is hard to turn off and on. So stupid. Yep, I think it's dead. Well, it's the end of the motor. It's the end of that motor. $5. That's what we'll get you.